Why don't you say so? They watching my moves, yeah, do my dance. I'm a skinny little bitch, still shaking ass. And ain't shit free, niggas show me cash. Fuck a broke boy, I been had a bag. I come in first place, I never been last. A bitch act stupid, bitch get trashed.
Do you guys ever just feel like you just need to like start school over again? Like from the beginning, like from kindergarten, because there's just some basic stuff missing here. And like, I just need to run through it like from the top one more time because I need a couple refreshers.
Alright, you should probably shut the fuck up before I eat your ass.
I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live.
You sleep. Don't close my door.
All right, everyone, gather around. Hey, get over here. Guys, it is a privilege to be here, okay? I need you guys on your best behavior. Jason, zip it. As I was saying, so tell me, how long do these trees live for? Stop it. That is so cool, guy. Jason, come here right now. This is your last warning, young man. One more, and you're out for the rest of the day.
My parents really tried to threaten me with, who pays the electricity bills? Like, okay, don't pay it then. The whole house is not gonna have electricity. We're all gonna be playing Bird Box. Who pays the water bills? Like, miss, are you trying to stink?
You know, I really should be studying. Like, haven't studied at all. I'm failing all of my classes right now. I think I'm gonna watch Euphoria, but just season 1, 2, and that new episode. I really should be studying. Stop, I need to study. I don't think the tests, like, actually matter. Yeah, if I don't pass, I will have to retake this year. Hey, I need to be studying. I wish there was, like, a guide for us to study, you know?
You mean like the study guide?
What? Are we feeling La La Land or Hairspray? You know, I've never been into painting, but, like, why not start now? Why can't you guys hang out? Okay, I think I'm gonna cook a 6-course meal. How are we feeling about that? I need to study, right? Why do I always fail my tests? Like, low-key, do I even need to study? I should definitely study.
Stop worrying about what the fuck I am doing. Mind your motherfucking business. God damn.
Right. Right. Yes, absolutely.
The fuck is you looking at?
I'm home alone. Y'all know what that means.
I'm sitting on the couch and not in my room. Whoa.
Stop messaging me, bro. I'm busy. Oh my god. Oh. Fuck, bro.
Hoes on me, left and right. Glum, I put them out like a light. Cool tinted like a thief in the night.
I'm
convinced that nothing hurts more than when you text something in a group chat and no one responds. That is rock bottom right there.
Oh my god, okay, but if you do it now, you don't have to do it later. No, I understand that, but the thing is, if I do it now, I have to do it now. Yes, but then you don't have to do it later. Yes, but if I do it later, I don't have to do it now. Are you going to do it later? No.
One thing that will never not be funny, bitch, is sibling fights. No matter what time of day or night, bitch, you and your sibling gonna go the fuck at it, bitch, and y'all gonna fight to the death. Y'all gonna be in that bitch trying to kill each other. And it be over stupid shit, like who wanna go in the bathroom first? Or where the remote at? Y'all will beat each other with frying pans and throw each other down 4 flights of stairs just to be back cool again. This bitch done broke my jaw asking me do I wanna go to the store. I do. But bitch, that ain't how you apologize, ho.
Would've came back for you. I just needed time.
Am I the only one who gets really mad when things fall over? Like this. And then like I'll like turn and it'll be like, and I'm like, and the noise it makes me want to.
One thing that I have never understood is when people are like, follow my new Instagram, my old one got hacked. Like, please tell me who? Who would want to hack your Instagram account with 167 followers? Like, how bad was your password?
Can get weirder. I just washed my hands. That's why they're wet. No other reason.
What the
Oh shit.
Leave me the fuck alone. Actually, I fucking hate everything in my fucking life. You don't know what the fuck I've been through. Please stop. Stop.
Valid point. Valid fucking point.
And that's the thing, is that she's always making sense about something. She knows what she's talking about, and everybody be.
Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace, baby.
Bestie vibes only, 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 vibesy bestie vibes only.
You said forever, now I drive alone past your street.
Nice. Made me happy, made me smile. Nice.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. But I'm only human.
Cause no the fuck I didn't. No the fuck I didn't. Cause no the fuck I didn't. No the fuck I didn't.
Hey, you're up, let's go. Hey, Jim, they all came back missing again.
I don't think I want to do this anymore.
No, let's go, come on. Alright, bro, put on your seatbelt.
Bro, what is this?
A belt.
Okay, here we go. Listen to this track, bitch.
Girl, the way you moving, got me in a trance. DJ, turn me up. Ladies, this your jam. I'ma sip the sky. You gon' lose them fast. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the floor. I love the way you really go.
Clap if you've ever wanted to kill somebody.
Why these niggas still tapping in their savings? Why these niggas still writing telling statements? Man, pie could've cooped me and stay.
I am disgusted.
It's not fair, 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 not
We're waiting.
Oh my god, hurry up.
Hey, Mr. B, can we start? This is my group's project on a Civil War. Hey, that's my boy. Take it away, Emily.
Hi everyone, my name's Emily, and today we're gonna be like talking about the Civil War. Jack, stop. Okay, the Civil War was really bad.
Yeah, guys, actually, fun fact, like, I'm pretty sure if someone dies, like, actually dies in the exam hall, we all legally get 100%. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we get 100%, so, like, who's gonna take one for the team? Because, like, I'm pretty sure legally we...
Clap if you've ever wanted to kill somebody.
Why did my brain work in a way that thinks that this is easier than this?
Looking at me, I know you wanna fuck me. I give you this dick if you lucky. Been a few days, I just want me some cutty. I tell her, come on, break up. Tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. I just mind my business.
Hey, what do you want from the... Yep, yeah, gotcha. Sounds good, yep.
I'm Barbie drippin', DB9, Barbie whippin'. If he say he don't want me back, he'd be lying. Bitch, I'm the source, Barbie.
Oh my god, this guy literally won't stop bothering me. Like, look at these texts. They're so annoying. He's so annoying. Oh yeah, that must be so annoying. Yeah, you should totally block him. No, but like, I can't block him. Like, that's so mean. No, like, I'm not gonna block him. Like, that's really mean. It's just like so annoying. How does that even make sense? It's like borderline harassment. Why don't you just block him? No, but like, that's so mean. Like, that's so rude. Like, I can't like block him. Like I just can't. Like, I just can't. But you just, how does that make any sense?
Okay, don't be embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed.
Mr. Prepared over here got an umbrella, goof
got an umbrella, man. What you talking about?
You want to be Mary Poppins so bad?
And that is how the way we comprehend complex ideas affects our indecisive psychology. Thank you. Thank you for that amazing, smart, intelligent presentation. Up next, we have you. Please hold the applause. Today, I'm going to be talking about why I think squirrels are pretty cute. Exhibit A. Thank you guys so much for coming.
Bestie, I'm afraid to ask you this. I'm afraid to ask you this. I'm afraid to ask you this.
What the fuck is we doing?
Ladies and gentlemen, please be careful when you are stepping off the bus, okay? If you are Mr. Smith's group, go to the right. If you are Miss Jones' group, go to the left. And if you're in my group, Mrs. Johnson's group,
Keisha, what group you in?
Thank you.
Come on, guys. Come on. It smells like straight funk.
Thank you. Come on.
Jamal, stop touching me.
Excuse me, Jamal. This will be your first and final warning.
I ain't
Please
even
keep
touch
your hands
her.
to yourself.
Hey guys, welcome to the Science Museum. We are so happy you're here. Today we will be showing you many fossils and artifacts and dinosaurs, including old things from the Egyptian time. Alright guys, it is time for lunch, but before you touch anything, please wash your hands or get some hand sanitizer from Miss Johnson in the back.
Jamal, please come stand by me, sweetheart.
What? I didn't even do it.
I already told you, keep your hands to yourself, and you didn't abide by those rules. Please come stand by me.
What'd you say, baby? I was asking what time it was.
Oh, the time? It's about 1:45.
Okay, thank you. What does that even mean? I don't even know, bro. Just walk away.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, does anybody need to go to the restroom before we get on the bus? If so, go with Mr. Smith.